Hello guys, you are watching Say Ideas. Today I am going to share very interesting information related to three main types of chocolates in the world. Before watching my video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you could get more interesting videos. Why doesn't like chocolates? It brings an instant smile on your face. Have you ever stolen chocolate from your friend in the childhood? No doubt, the answer is yes. Children are addicted to consume it repeatedly. Its rich present, smell and flavor brings smile on their face at a glance. As all of us prefer to consume it, why not get deep into its outcomes? It surely has both advantages and disadvantages. Before we dig keep into the core discussion about the goodies and evils of eating chocolates, let me start with some basic notions first. Types of chocolates we eat. There are three main kinds of chocolates you can easily get from any nearby market. These are white chocolates, the milk chocolates, and lastly the dark chocolates. White chocolate. It contains cocoa butter, sugar, and milk. It is the sweetest chocolate among three chocolate types. It has 20% of cocoa butter, 14% milk solid, 3.5% milk fat, and approximately 55% sweetening ingredients. It combines vanilla for flavor and lactose is there as an emulsifier. The white chocolate is highly used for making delicious pastry dishes. Next one is milk chocolate. This type has become the market leader by its rich taste. Cadbury mixing milk powder, substances of cocoa butter, cocoa pile, and sugar first invented it. Milk chocolate has less sugar than the white chocolate, so it contains less calories in it and does not contain any cocoa solid. Dark chocolate is quite nutritious. It bears a suitable amount of soluble fiber filled with minerals and 70% of cocoa. This cocoa appears from ground up cocoa beans with likely bulk of cocoa butter. It has the least sugar in comparison to the white chocolate and the milk chocolate. Therefore, it contains less calories, which is not that harmful as others. Dark chocolate is admired for chocolate cake, lava cakes, muffins, dark chocolate biscuits, and ice creams. That's all from my today's video. Stay tuned until my next video. Keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel, and click on bell icon so you could get more videos. Thank you for watching.